Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today, I'm going to show you how to install a WFP 112099. Now this will fit the rear doors on a 1999 to 2006 GM truck, crew cab, pickup, Suburban, Avalanche. Check our website for complete make, model, year information. Let's get started. All right, first thing you'll notice is the door's not on the truck anymore. We did that, we took it off the truck and mounted it on our stand so we can more easily film what we're doing to show you guys tips and tricks to get this installation done. Now you notice this is a new part and it has a vertical leg here and a lip right here. Now this lip is going to hook underneath the door. So when you take it off, you're going to have to rotate it to the outside of the vehicle and then pull up. And once this lip releases, it should come right on out. As you can see, we have the door panel off. Now we did this so it's much easier to show you the technique of getting this belt off. You do not need to remove your door panel to put this part on. So I'm going to take my hook tool, I'm going to come in here, and just like I showed you earlier, I'm going to come behind that vertical section and pull the molding off the tab and pull up a little bit. Okay, that's the first one. Now there's several tabs here. It doesn't run the whole length, there's just certain tabs. So we're going to skip ahead to the next one. Once you get out, it'll come out. Here you can see what one of the tabs looks. I got a little white paper towel behind it so you can more clearly see it. Now there's going to be one here, 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 and one at the end, about every 5-6 inches. Those are the tabs that actually hold the belt line to the body. All right, we're ready to install a new part. You want to make sure that the vertical leg is over the flange right here. But just get it started. And you want to make sure you have it centered between the two pillars before you start pushing it down. And go ahead and push down this side first. And then again, kind of make sure it's centered. And then you're going to push it until you hear an audible click. That's the molding going behind that tab. And you got it centered. Repeat the process on the other side. And you're done.